Spartans. Ah, shit. That gave me chills. Anyways, it is February, boys. January's been fucking tough, but well, January's been tough, guys. But we do not complain. We as traders, we assimilate. Anyways, Thursday was crazy, bro. Thursday was crazy. Anyways, I'm looking for lower. I do believe we finally do have an SMT on top with the. Let me just keep that in my mind so that way I'm not like subconsciously trying to look for trading higher. Okay, so SMTs, we already took out ES, as you can see here. Well, we took it out here and then we took it out here. So, I do still want to see lower. Like I said, minimum criteria. This minimum. This to me is not as obvious. So that's what I'm looking for right now. I want to stay below these wicks. Let me take this away. I want to stay away from this. This I don't like as much because price is just like very choppy. Maybe we go up high and then go lower. I don't know. With Friday's high and we get an SMT, then I'll be more than likely to take a short. Let me just put sell side, bro. This is confusing. So yeah, right now I'm just looking for that type of thing. We have news at 10, like I said. Another reason why I'm still looking for shorts is I want to see midnight opening. This is looking so clean to me. You see how it's just like worm, like a little worm going up? Boom! That's what I want to see. A big mountain down to the outside. And hopefully I can get a good... Bro, hopefully we start February with a fucking banger. I'll be waiting for. I'm definitely going to risk a little bit more today. If you guys go to your Forex Factory, it's NFP Monday, guys. Look at your calendar. It's very important right here. So if you're an ICT student, Monday, Tuesday, and then sometimes Wednesday, like we really like there's news, I guess, so this is gonna be a fucking good week. But usually like Thursdays we don't trade, but I'll see because I do feel like I'm a little bit more experienced now compared to a year ago, 2 years ago, where I was like not able to really see certain things. But yeah. Let me put 530 for this one too. 930, sorry. 930. 10. So I'm trying to catch a reversal, guys. I'm really just trying to catch this reversal. What I'm thinking, maybe we go to previous day's high, Friday's high. But I don't want to see that for sure. I don't want to see that. If I'm being frankly honest, I just want to stay within this wick. Within this daily wick. Right here. And then, I don't know, maybe we do tap into this order block right here. For sure, I definitely don't want to see a closure above this. Because then this would mean we gotta change the state of delivery. Sorry. This right here. I do not want to see a closure above this. For sure. We can see it waking, it's fine, but I want to see this 2 order blocks hold, and because if we do close, then I'm most likely gonna start trying to look for higher for the meantime. You know? But that's not the case right now, so I'm just trying to stick with the case that this order block right here is what's gonna hold it down. Well, this should have held it, the wick should have been better, but I do expect some nice rejection from these order blocks right here before going lower. To me, this is not liquidity, like big liquidity. For me, these are big liquidity levels, so that's what I'm looking for. If you go to the daily, high take from is key, guys. Like, I guess this. Technically, yes, but why do I want to go for this one and not this one? It's more obvious for me. Technically, this is the obvious one right here. But we just gotta, take. I guess we could just take it by parts. If we're eventually gonna go here, then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go here. So just to play it safe, you know. That's what I'm just looking at right now. I'm gonna put it here just because I had ES as well there. Which I believe is like, yeah. Ugh, so messy, dog. If you pay attention, guys, we did have a change of state a little bit here. And we never really closed above it. Above these up close candles. So that's what I'm saying, like we just chopping around, consolidating, and then going lower. My long-term target for here would probably be this liquidity level right here, which I guess is this one. I think it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. And then if we really want to continue going lower, then I would probably look for I'll show you guys how that. I'm probably looking for a fair value gap trade back into here. We're gonna have to wait and see though. It's too early to say that right now. But I do obviously longer term expect to retracement back into the unfilled fair value gap. Well, we still need to see structure play out, dude. Like for me, we're just consolidating right now, very very choppy. That's what I'm saying. I'm only gonna take this trade, like if I'm being honest, like we have a nice displacement back to the downside. It looks like we're going for those highs, which I'm fine. I don't care. I just don't care. It looks like we might be going up to these highs. I don't know. Let go and let go. So right now what I'm looking at, guys, is let's just say we somehow like the news spikes us up and immediately starts rejecting that level, and then we don't take it for ES or either or. For let me just have this ready because I'm gonna trade on the thing. The line's black. My text is reddish, velvetish. Oh, I just don't like this. I really want to start seeing rejection somewhere here. As I'm saying, like I don't even want to see this get taken out. If I'm being honest with you guys, like at all. For me, this is rebalanced, guys. This price is balanced now. Wait, I just realized something. We have inversion, which we might tap into. That's crazy. I can't believe we held that nicely. So yeah, I just realized we have an inversion right here, guys. So if we could tap into this level quickly and reject, then I'll be looking for higher, guys. For lower, sorry. Alright. But I really just want to preferably to stay around below this level right here. Below that level. Like I said, news could probably wake us up there and, you know, tap into it. But if we start showing immediate displacement, I'm probably going to get in. Like I said, I do not want to see closures above this. For sure, I don't want to see closures above this. For me, this will confirm a CIEZ. And I'm not a huge fan of that. I'll probably just be a little bit more iffy now. But If not, I'll probably just wait for the afternoon. Spartans! Yeah, it's pretty dope. So again, I'm just waiting, guys. Look like we're about to take our previous thing, guys. Look at this rejection, dude. I really want to see this level get taken out, dude. I really do, dude. Come on, dude. South side. I really want to start seeing reject these levels, dude. So like I said, it's permissible. I guess it's ideally I don't want it to happen. I just want to see a nice immediate rejection. But if you could come up here and then go lower, it's cool too. Obviously, I would probably have to wait for like a M5 structure shift or CIZ or something that will confirm my move up because. Whatever. We're probably going for Friday's high. Spartans!
What is your profession?
Oh man, that was good. Good coffee. Good coffee. Good coffee. Oh man. Spartans. Pretty dope. Again, ET target for me is midnight. Midnight. Let me see, 15. We have news in 2 minutes, guys. Let's see what's gonna. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So again, guys, because we're close to ES taking it out right here. ES is like somewhere like here. So it's close to taking out Friday's high. I'll just show you guys. Just take a look. Start training the eyes to see these type of things. Because once you, the first thing is not even like, from my honest opinion, like you guys shouldn't really try to rush to try to see what I see. Just try to understand what I'm seeing, and then eventually everything will start clicking in, and like it'll be dope. It'll be good stuff. But start from the high turn for those like a little confused. Like what am I looking for? I'm still looking for south side right here. I'm looking for this. However, I do know that it's Monday. Usually Monday, we're either gonna accumulate or manipulate. So it's like I'm like already that knowing that comes my chance come a little lower in trying to look for short because if we're ideally gonna have a bearish week, obviously Monday we might likely gonna want to manipulate. Sorry, accumulate, manipulate Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday continue, and then Friday just have the pullback. So that's really like that's what I'm trying to like get at. Like I already know in the back of my head, but since I'm an interest scalper or whatever, I'm pretty confident in looking for just quick little moves to certain levels before going higher because it could go lower and then go higher, but or it could, but I really just it just ideally makes sense when it's the day of the week matches like the bias. For example, if it's Thursday, then usually and you're already bearish, then Thursday usually just a continuation, and even Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, like you're just really looking for bearish structure, and then Friday, like Friday becomes a little iffy because Friday usually we tend to pull back into the range, and so trying to look for short term this day is a little harder. But today it's one of those days as well where just logically speaking, like if we are gonna be bearish for the week, we ideally don't want to manipulate, which is why we're going. If you guys pay attention, this blue line right here, it's the opening. It's the opening for Sunday. So we're manipulating right now. We're trying to, you know, Judah. What is it? Take the what? What's it? How did he say? Take the sheeps to the slaughterhouse or something like that. I just don't like thinking too much from here. If I'm being honest. I'd rather just wait for a little bit more structure to play out. Wait, what did news do? I don't like it too much. So far, we do have empty, by the way. For those wondering, with these highs right here, we didn't take out this high, but we did take out these. I mean, we took it out here technically, yeah. Yeah, I really just look for more. I'd rather just wait a little longer. I'm not too confident. Like technically, on ES we already did inverse the 5, but I'd rather just wait for more confirmation. I don't like this too much. Okay, so we finally closed it, which is cool. So we finally inversed it, which is already looking good. However, the only thing that's just risky to me right now is I don't like. If I'm being honest, I don't like taking I don't like taking reverses as much from like such overexpanding moves. Especially like if like to be honest, I don't like that we haven't taken out any major liquidity. Like maybe we take our Friday's high and then reverse, and yes, I'll feel more confident in looking for a reversal quicker. But we haven't even done that, so it's like I don't just want to take an M5 inversion. And plus, we also have this big 15 fair value below us, so it's definitely a little tricky, guys. Definitely a little tricky right now, but we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. Okay. We're just gonna wait. My goal is the the midnight opening price, guys. That's my objective for the night. For the for the night, bro. What the fuck? For the day, for the intercession, whatever. This right here. I'm looking for a retracement. We never traded it back. This is I got this from Lumi. We never traded it. I think it was between 3 to 5, no, or 2 to 5. We never. Point is, or is it 3 to 5? I don't know. Point is, I'm looking for lower. Okay, I'm looking for lower, and I could just. This is already like in my eyes already like. The way we're stacking up so much lows is definitely a good probably chance that we're probably gonna go lower. All right, stairways up. What is it called? Thingy down. That's what I'm waiting for right now. Plus, we're so close to taking Friday's high from ES right here. Okay, we're so close. So I'd rather just see this preferably get taken out and then immediately start reversing. Then I'll feel confident. For now, it's just like NQ with a little bit more laggy, which is what you want to see with SMTs. You know, SMT shouldn't be end all be all, but it's. I'm already looking for short, so if I see an SMT on top, it's a nice confirmation. I'm just gonna be waiting though. I'm not gonna be rushing into this right now. Like I said, I know that we do have this big 15 for rally, but like if you're bearish, you shouldn't really fear it as much. This is just gonna be like a little what's the word? Oh, we just tapped into it here. We could expect a bounce, which is fine. We could expect a little bounce back up, but this could probably be like an M5 or block or something on the lower time frames, and then we go lower. So you shouldn't fear too much. Like that confidence will kind of only like increase when you know what your bias is. If you don't know what your bias is, then you really shouldn't really be trying to get in. Because now you just, I guess, you don't have a plan. So let's just say you're looking for higher, right? And then it goes lower, and then now you're like, oh no, I want to go lower, and then you're wrong, and now you want to switch back, and now somehow you get unlucky now, and you're wrong again. So it's like, fuck. And then it goes higher, and like, bruh. So it's like, you kind of just want to avoid that. Like, so right now, I kind of do expect Friday's high to be taken out today. Usually, Mondays we do take out Friday's high, and we already took out Friday's low, I believe, right? And yeah, Friday, which Friday? Yeah, we took it out during the opening. We're inside the midnight opening prices. I don't really like. I don't like when they're stacked together. ICT usually is also. He usually says when we have multiple new week opening get stacked like this, then prices just most likely gonna consolidate. You know, they're better off when they're separated. They use as magnets, but where we're just stuck in between, then I expect kind of consolidation or choppiness at least. Like I said, I wouldn't mind if we get taking it. We haven't even hit 1 standard deviation if you guys take a look at. You really don't need all. I really don't need everything. Like all, what is it called? All the other candles. I really do like this one. I should see everything. It allows you to have like multiple. What's the word? Like multiple indicators. They're not indicators. Okay, we're about to take Friday high, by the way. For those wondering. Okay, we better take Friday, which is good. Now this is where we start. Like, this is where I start feeling more confident looking for reversals. Okay, now we already have a S and we're most likely gonna have an S&T. All right, we're most likely gonna have an S&T. I just don't like that the strength we're coming in. We're coming way too strong, but whatever. Again, we expect this, but I definitely need to start seeing a rejection at this level fast. Like, I just want to see a tap and start low. Boom. I want to see this. Boom, and immediately start lower. Why? Because we're already up in the upper third quadrant. This is a level where we need to start rejecting. If ICT says like during the wicks, like it's promiscuous to go higher, but we definitely start seeing price start showing nice rejection from the level. And we also have this inversion, which I said we could come up and tap it and then start immediately dropping lower. And guess what, baby? We're in that. So we just gotta wait. Look at that 5. Nice, no closure. So again, I want to start seeing that structure shift around here, around these levels right here. Just patient right now. Just patient. Not to mention, we've only been going high since 9:30, so Judah swing, baby. Come on. If we could just continue going high all day, bro, I'm not probably not gonna trade. I'm not really that dang excited. I'm not that excited to look for a trade higher. Like here, look at the, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful example. Here, right? You see how this big, after taking liquidity, and we already had our SMTs. This was, I think, Thursday, right? Thursday, yeah. Wow, this is a crazy candle. That's why I didn't bother trading on Friday anymore. I'm like, yo, fuck this. Like, I already had a feeling, like, bro, Thursday we had this crazy ass dump, right? This dumperoni, right? And then Friday, I'm like, yeah, nah, I'm good. You got that, bro. You're good. You got that, big bro. So right now, what it's looking like, I want to see a rejection soon. I want to see us like tap upper quadrant, which is of this wick, into inversion, and then I say like I don't want to see it any higher. I don't want to see it nothing. I need to see just a little tap, a little kiss, and get down to start taking what is my easy draw. I guess it's New York minute opening. Okay, we never tapped into it during 2. Well, we did, but I don't know. I gotta double check, but I think it was 3 to 7, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, but either way, these are equal lows to me, bro. Like this, look how perfect. Start training eyes to see these lows. You see how beautiful these equal lows are right here? Boom, equal lows, low. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a reversal. I'm not just gonna look for 1 minute. Like it's funny. I've been realizing like, what the fuck? Wait, why am I missing candles, dude? Okay, that's better. I've been realizing I don't really trust M1s like that as much. Like I'd rather just wait for an M5 CISD. What's a CISD? Just to change the structure. So let's just say we have one, like let's just say we have a black candle here, right? And okay, let's just say we have a black candle here. Okay, there's a black candle, right? And then let's just say the next upload candle we have like we have another green candle. Now we have a green candle. And then we have another green candle. Alright, so we have like this. For me, the change of state is this now. Once we close below this M5, like I'm probably just gonna go in with a market order. Or if it's a really big stop, then I guess I wait for a little retracement. And whatever the high of that wick is, and then but it's basically just like the last few up close candles that took the liquidity, or that dug into that POI before reversing. It's like right here, you see how there's three green candles? Like let's just say those three green candles are up here. My change of state would be this closure price right here. Once we close below that, I'm in this short, whatever the high is. Like, obviously you don't want to be that big because then you just want to wait for a little. You want to wait for a little bit more retracement. But if it's a small stop loss and you're already confident, there you go. This is what I'm looking for. Right now we haven't done that. We just took out Friday's high, by the way, so that's good. Like I said, it's a strong POI. That's why I'm just expecting a pretty good rejection from those levels. I feel more confident for sure. The only thing I just don't like about ES, it looks a little stronger, and you obviously could tell by the all-time highs that we swept multiple times. For NQ, this is the all-time high. We never took it in NQ, so we're just like somewhere low here. But with this one, we took it here, and then we took it again here. So now we have like a new all-time high. So we could already kind of tell that ES is a strong one between the two for now. So if you want to take that into consideration, like, technically you do want to short NQ, but NQ just has better structure too. So I don't like this. You see? During ES we had during NQ we had already we're not up to that yet. We have an inversion fair value gap, and you see. So this is what I'm trying to hold from. Oh. Nice for rally up. The only thing I just don't like is it just looks too strong, bro. Like you can just kind of already begin to tell. Excuse me. So I repeat, we did already take out the. Oh my gosh, I hate when my internet gets dog shit. I apologize, but yeah, for real. So right now we do have SMT, guys. We do have SMT with all of this, with Friday's high at least. Going based off of thing, but basically we have SMT with this high. Okay. So it's looking good for reversers. I feel confident now, like starting to look for M5 CISE. Obviously, it would be better if we kind of tap into this little area right here, but I already know that we're in the wake of the upper quadrant. I just want to see a little kiss into that upper quadrant. That's the last level. And if we somehow come up to this inversion, it's cool too, but I definitely want to start like fast. Like I don't even want to see it like going high. I don't want to see none of that because then it's probably not going to be a good trade for me. So I'm just gonna wait for. I don't like the M1. I really don't. I don't know why. like the M1 is just so impulsive. Like for me, it's a time frame that I used to like just because of like more trades or trades earlier. But as you develop, I feel like you just kind of hate the fact of losing more in the sense of, bro, if I just waited for an M5 fucking inversion fair value gap, it would have been happening. It would have been happening already. But since I got impulsive and I'm just trying to look for a thing, then I'm wrong. So it's like, bruh. For example, right? Even most of the time, not all the time, obviously, but like 80% of the time for me, like if you already have an inversion fair value up on the 5 minute, we're most likely already having a M1 change of structure as well. You know? So let's just say we eventually close below this, and now we're just getting for the inversion, right? Most of the time, already on the 1 minute, we already have a market structure shift, so that's the same thing. But for me, the higher time frame, like the 5, is such a beautiful time frame for me. The fuck? Oh. For me, the 5 is such a beautiful time frame. It's so precise for me. For reversals, for order blocks, for trailing, like it just makes sense to me. Like, I should probably not have done that. We're not about to close yet. Whatever. But yeah, I'm just looking for a pretty soon to be reversal. Technically, this is the last fair value gap. Let me put this in the minutes. That's a strong candle, but I've seen worse. So I'm expecting a huge reversal from here. If we, bro, let's just say we again today we just close above it. Then, dude, like, I'll probably have to look for long again for all time highs. Oh my gosh, but it's so hard when one of them we already hit the all time highs and the other one we still like, struggling. We don't know if we want to go lower because of the other one, or it wants to go higher now. But I'm gonna follow the road, like I said. There, you see, I want to see a little kiss it, and get down. High, 29,932. 29,932. 3/4, right? Yeah. What's the opening of this candle? 26,278. 26,678. It's fine. Okay, we just tapped into it. Nice. So start looking for reversions here. I ain't gonna lie, it is a little scary trying to pick the reversal from these levels. But it is what it is. Your experience would dictate that fear. You see that shit so many times, you just kind of numb to it at that point. I really want to start seeing some black candles here because it would indicate me a change of state. Ugh. Let me see something. The fuck? Sell. Limit. I tap back into that version. Stop loss here. How much would I be able to enter with just one? Today's what, Monday? Even if it's like a decent probability trade, just like psychologically wise, I don't know why on Mondays I can't trade too much risk. You know what? I think I do know why. I feel like if I lose such like I usually risk like 300, right? 400. I feel like if I risk 400 starting in the week, it's like kind of like a bummer already for me. It's like, bruh, like I don't know. Now I'm already on literally on the first day of the week. I'm already in drawdown, so it's like, bruh. Now I just kind of mentally have to work for that throughout the week more now. Versus if I just risk like 100. Like, yeah, I won, it's good, obviously. But if I lose, it's like, whatever. Like, I still got the rest of the week. So that's why I kind of don't like trading too much on Mondays with the high risk. But I do understand today's NFP week, so. And I do want to look for these POI levels, so. I'm just going to wait, guys. I'm just going to wait. I'm thinking about probably moving to break even, like, pretty fucking quick. Like, if it's going to be a nice move, I really want to see a fast reversal. So what do I mean by that? So I'm gonna probably get in from here, stop loss here, and probably try to get it back into OTE of this range. If it is gonna go high, then it's gonna respect it. If it's not, then it's gonna disrespect it. Logic, right? Simple. OTE. So I kind of want to take it back to the 62 point level and move to break even. So it's gonna look like something like this if I do into a trade. I'll probably move break even here, like fast, and then it's just gonna be fucking around with me. Then this is probably just gonna stop me at break even. So it's like, dude. The only thing I kind of do want to look for is as well, it's this candle right here. Where's the 10 a.m. candle? If it is gonna be a power at 3, then we never even closed. That's crazy. Let me take away this fib. It's just in the way. Yeah, so I'm seeing this as manipulation, and Let me see a 30-minute. It's just like the one ever such coming up with such momentum up. It's just harder for me to trade it because now I'm thinking like there's more higher time frame fair value gaps, and it's like bruh. But it's cool. I'm gonna wait for an inversion at least. Minimum. I'm not gonna look for like, yeah. I'm just gonna look for an inversion. And hopefully we get another black candle, and then maybe we get another green candle here somewhere here. But I actually don't want to see that taken out. I'd rather have SMTs with the. So we have SMTs here, guys. Right there. Wait, what? Bruh. Alright, what time is it? 10:25. Yes. Took Friday's high. By the way, it's very important that you start writing this down. I guess it really would just take your trade to the next level. Copy image. And Q didn't. So expecting reversal around here. Okay, again, I'm gonna show you guys how you start seeing this visually. This high, we took it out. I'm just taking out too much writing now. It's messing me up. You see this high right here, this high, we take it out for MNQ. We haven't taken it out. So that's what we call SMT, smart money structure, smart money tuning. So as soon as I see like an inversion, I'm probably gonna go for it. I mean, yeah, we like low, keep pretty dope if it touches and then starts reverse from here. That'd be nice, but I don't really care too much for that. But I mean, might as well, right? At this point, we're literally like 2 points. Like how many points? 26 points, bro. Like, come on. I guess just take it. At this point, just do what you must do. Go without me. So, limit. I could probably just go with one. Yeah, I'll probably just go with one, bro, if I'm being honest. I just don't. It's kind of scary, bro. It's kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of just want to wait for Loki 1050 so I can see expansion during that move. Bro, we just went up, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't consider that like too much, too important. I'm just waiting now, guys, for those wondering. I'm just really waiting. construction workers, get out my damn lawn. No, I'm just kidding. It's my cousin. It's my cousin, guys. Don't fear, guys. Don't worry. They're safe with me, guys. I'll take care of them. Wait, no, they're in Mexico. I can't take care of them. They're already here. That's funny. Anyways, sorry. Back to the trading thing. I'm looking for an inversion, guys. I'm waiting for this inversion. Once this inversion goes, I'm in it like that. I should probably lower the volume. It's not too loud. All right, the bad noise went away, guys. Let's get it. Okay, I want to see an inversion too for. Like I said, I definitely didn't want to see it. I want to start seeing lower, 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 lower. I don't want to see a closure below this, guys. Coffee. Coffee. Such a beautiful thing. Such a beautiful creation. Oh yeah. So I guess, like I said, we were tapping into a 15-minute, but I'm not gonna fear it too much. Like I'd rather have a structure lower. I just realized we did inverse this for valid gap, but I just realized that, like right here. But if we could inverse this one, I'll probably get in. I'm only going in with one contract, by the way. With top step, I'm probably going in with a little bit more. Probably going in with two. All right. All right, we're good. Oh man. Excuse me. It's gold. I'm just waiting. I am waiting, alright? If you're wondering. I'm literally just waiting to start seeing inversion to start failing on the M5. I don't even need to go all the way down there. Ugh, dude. It's annoying. But hey, shout out to everybody, guys. What's up? Subscribe, please. That is so desperate. Oh man, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. You don't have to. But it'll be pretty dope. I'm trying to hit 60 subs. Yes, sir. Anyways, we're just chilling. Really, literally just chilling. I'm looking for lower pricing to take out these lows, but like I said, I knew it was Monday, so usually Monday will either accumulate or manipulate. So it's like, bruh, I'd rather just wait to have nice structure to engage in this trade. The fudge. There we go. Bro, you don't have no type of manipulation. That's crazy. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. You can see, I think it's respecting this. I'm just waiting. If I don't see anything by 10:50, boys, I'm just probably gonna get out. I really don't care enough to. The only thing I care about right now is let's just say we let's just say we have another like higher, right? Bruh. Let's just say we have another leg higher, right? I would see this as a CISD and then hopefully thingy and then try to get in to go lower. Hopefully even get another SMT on top or something. Something nice, but we're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. We don't see anything, just wait. I have my phone real quick. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna charge it. Yo, you guys, drop a like. Drop a like. Come on. Don't be lazy. Drop a like, guys. Come on. Say hi. Say what's up. Say something. Receivables. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm unmuted, guys. I apologize. By the way, we have another SMT at the highest, guys. Another SMT, another SMT. Alright, I'm just waiting, boys. I'm just waiting. Oh my god, yo, I'm about to. I'm about to crash out. I'm about to crash out on this guy, bro. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Whatever. I'll back to meeting, guys. Back to meeting. Alright, I'm good. Finally, I think he shut up. We have another SMT, by the way, here, boys. Another SMT. Right here, guys. Right here. We made another SMT. Double SMT, baby. Yes, sir. Right there. It doesn't mean anything to me, but like, hey, man, it's something, right? A boy could dream. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm back. Short term. Guys, drop a like. Come on, please. vivo como artista. La vida de artista, drogas y mujeres. Psych. I'll go with one. Oh shit. Un lugar para Hollywood. No quiero apestar, no me puedo rendir. No me puedo molar, no me puedo rendir. Que viví sobran para sobrevivir. Guys, I'm just waiting. I want to see this inversion of the 5-minute. This will give me more structure now that we have a change of state, inversion, SMTs, and yeah. Yeah, I'll go with one. Bro, I'm about to crash out. I'm about to crash out on my cousin. Okay, alright. That's what I'm waiting for, boys. We're just waiting. 10:50 is approaching soon, so that's good. Preparado. Me ve forjando. Lo que yo me hago. Esta gente, yo nunca me rajo. 10:50 is approaching. I might get in with a marker, guys. Me han rodeado. Radiado de lujos y no materiales. This is hands down my favorite song, easily from him. Coffee. For sure, my hands down my favorite song from him. Let me sit 2 minutes here. Yeah, we do have a change of 2 minutes. I'd rather wait for the 5. I'd rather just wait for this structure to be broken if I'm being honest. I'll probably put it like here. Like, there's really nothing for me to try to hold it into. Ugh. The only thing I guess I would be a little concerned about would be OTE, but it's like, bro, am I really that concerned about it? I don't think so. I think we should have a fast flush if we are ready to go lower. Excuse me. I mean, finally getting closure, which is good, but I'm just waiting, boys. Guys, drop a like. We probably most likely gonna get into the trade soon enough. Let's get it. I'm waiting for this 5 to fail. Like, once I see that 5, I'm probably just gonna get in. I'm not trying to be a perfect. What's that? What was that video from episode from Courage the Cowardly Dog? Be perfect. You must act perfect. You must speak perfect. Nice. We have a change to say now. I definitely want to see a shot thing here. All right, boys. I'm getting in. Fuck this. Actually, hold up. Let me see. Sell. Yeah, I'm getting a 1. We'll get in, guys. Alright, boys. Let's get it. Buy market order 2. Bro, I literally got in that, but I didn't fucking take. That's funny. If I get stop there, I'm gonna be tight, but whatever. Ugh, I don't like that rejection, dude. Let me see 2 minutes. Let me see the 1 minute. Let me see the 1 minute. Please be a first rally up here. Yeah, I was waiting mostly for the CIC, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yes, technically this is ideal short. But going B, yeah. I just don't like that reaction though. It's fine. We don't gotta fear this all the time, guys. It's just a fucking trade. As long as you don't overtrade, it should be fine. Pitalura. Either way, I had to wait for the inversion, so it's fine. But I guess I didn't wait for that, but it's the time of the day, boys. It's the time of the day, baby. I want to see where I can get a 101. Where's the 101? One cell. There. Alright, guys, let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, what time is it? First trade at 10:50. First trade. First trade. 10:50. Let me see the candles though. I really do want to start seeing it. Got CISD. Bruh. Got CISD with SMT at highs. Looking to target. We have this M2 right here. Sorry. M3? What do we have in M3? We have it. Yeah, it look good, guys. It look good. I'm not too upset. Alright? I guess I could have waited a little higher for this shit, but. How much am I down for? 60. Bro, I literally fucking bottom tick this shit. That's so funny. We do have a structure shot. We do have a structure shit right here, guys. For those saying, oh, looking for a 2022 model right there. So I definitely want to start seeing rejection here now. El jefe va a perdonarme. I'm going for that. Like, I don't need all this other shit, but I definitely want to start seeing rejection though. Has cagado ya bastante. Esa no tiene nada. Culpable, pase lo que pase. El jefe va a perdonarme. Let's go, baby. Dios. Quiere que para. I really don't want to see a thing here. I want to see lower. No entiende nada. Lo que pase, el jefe va a perdonarme. just waiting. I'm literally just waiting, like I said. Now we're getting structured shift, which is good, but I really want to see a closure though for sure. Come on, don't do this bullshit to me. No, please. Have some mercy on me. Ugh, dude. Hold up. I don't like this. Ah, fuck. I want to start seeing immediate. Que para el trabaje. Come on, dude. Come on, close. I want to start seeing inversions, dude. Nice. Ugh. Two minutes, come on. I want to see some inclusions. What the fuck? Only 35 beans? Bruh. FVG and 5. If it comes back up, I'll probably just close that break even. Like, I want to start seeing to respect these candles, dude. Come on, don't play, please. Come on, dude. Just close. Show me some strength behind that move. Oh, I just realized we have a 1 hour for value gap. Oh, the way down here. Busy. Hold up. Yeah. I mean, I could probably move to break even by then for sure. The fuck? Oh, yo. Hold up. Why didn't that translate into the lower time frames? Yeah. Ando en el desmadre. Nice. So, I'll move my stop loss a little bit. Let's go, baby. So far, so good. But I'm not gonna. Thank you. I want to start seeing expansion for sure. 11 is here. Ugh. Bruh. I am seeing this BS, guys. I'm seeing it. I want to start seeing this fucking speed. Speed now. I'm not even control the trade. 1108. Like I said, you could fear that M15 for value gap, but it's like you don't want to see that. You don't really care for that. I want to start seeing lower though. I definitely don't want to go lower than that. I'm gonna stop. I don't think we should be coming up anymore. Where's my... 25, 80, 80. I don't like that fucking wick. I'm gonna close it prematurely. Like if we do thingy here, close above this. Yeah, if we close above this, I'm probably gonna close it. I'm giving this fair version to hold for me. I don't want to see a full stop out. There's no point, like especially if we're thingy here already. And I don't like this candle's turning green again. Bruh. Come on, you piece of shit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna close it if... Yeah, I need speed for sure. For sure around this leg now. For me, I'm giving it this 5 minute. Like if we close above this, and I'm probably just gonna close. We've already closed above the thing here, and then we're close this, and it's like, nah, I'm good. I don't care so much for it anymore. I mean, I guess the only thing I could take is like if I take the CISD, right? How much would I have been up with this little move right here? 1 4. It's fine. I want to see this candle hold. The thing is, look at this 15, bro. I don't like that 15 shit. I don't. And it looks even worse on NQ on ES. Look. That's not good. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Ugh. Like I said, if I get a closure about this, then I'm probably just gonna close the trade. Eh. Yeah, I want to start seeing the rejections here ASAP. I don't like this. Like I said, if I get closure above this 5 minute, I'm just close it manually. I'm not holding on to it. There's no point. I'm just gonna kill it. There's really no point to that trade anymore. But we could go lower. We still holding it. So. We did come back down to the CAZ. Right here. This is technically the auto block. The M5 auto block. Right there. I want to see the shit hold this lower, guys. Like now, for sure. I want to see if we got an SMT with the. No, it's going higher, bro. I don't know. don't like it too much right now. Like I said, bro, if once we get a closure about this, bro, I'm not trying to get in anymore. I'm not. Again, the closure above here, I'm closing. I don't care. Price should not be doing this anymore. Price should really start heading lower if we're about to start going lower. Ugh. It's nasty today. For sure. This is what I was worried about, that 50%, but we haven't closed, guys. We never closed below it, so so far it's not looking good anymore. It's not. I'm just wait till 5, guys. Like, if I get this change structure, then I'm just gonna close it. We haven't gotten it, so it's fine for me right now still, but we did get it for ES, which is fucking annoying, but typing back into the CAZ. Like I said, guys, we're tapping into this. I want to start seeing rejection of this wick now. Which is basically just this wick. Come on, dude. Start going lower. Start going lower. I wonder if someone's in the same trade as me. I'm gonna see Todd is in the trade with me just for fun. Ugh, dude, this is like my last reservation for sure. Ugh, it's gonna be annoying. Hey man, at least I didn't get down here, right? I got in here. I got like a tick earlier. Oh fuck. At least I didn't get here, right? Like I said, if I close it, I'm just closing the shit. Like, it's already weird timing. I'd rather protect my trade. I don't like this, dude. What time is it? Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna close. Eee! That shit hurt. Mm-hmm. I'm closing. I close, guys. Shit. I'm done. I gotta go with this one anyways. Boswello, Boswello. What time is it? Excuse me. Bruh. I close, guys. I ain't like it. Sonia, na na. GG. Yeah, I tried shorting it. It didn't allow me to. Yeah, well. It's not looking good either way now. Like I said, we could come, like, bruh, like. We just came back for this fucking wick and then 50% of this wick and then go low. I'm gonna be upset, but whatever. I'd rather not be in this type of trades, guys. Like, I want to see expansion. That's what I'm saying. Like, once we had this 5, it's like, bro. Like, I hate when we get this type of move. Like, if it would have been just a little tiny clear, sure, I took even the smaller ones. But, like, when they give me the big ass retracements, it's like, bruh. I'll replay it again if we get into it again. Like, if we, I guess if we inverse this again, like, I wouldn't mind it. I'll probably have my stop loss here now, though. But we would have to see, of course, because easier said than done. Yeah, I mean, whatever. I wouldn't have tied it to the same trader, like, thingy.